Hazrat Ayyub Sakhtiyani has reported from Muhammad bin Sirin that he was sitting in the meeting wherein Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Layla was also present and his companions would respect him. So he mentioned the both prescribed waiting periods. So I, with reference to Abdullah bin Utbah, narrated the episode of Hazrat Subayya, the daughter of Harith. Thereupon some of his companions beckoned to me. I got it and said, "It means I am daring to fasten falsehood to Abdullah bin Utbah, whereas he lives in the outskirts of Kufa." So he who beckoned got ashamed. But Hazrat Abdul Rahman said, "His uncle does not say so." Then I met Abu Atiyah Malik bin Amir and asked him, and he narrated me the hadith of Subayya. I thereafter asked him whether he had heard anything from Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu in this regard. He said, "We were in the company of Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu, and he said, 'Do you put her in difficulty and ignore facility in her matter?'" The verse imposing short waiting period was revealed after the verse enjoying long waiting period. And the period of the pregnant women is when they give birth to children. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4910.